Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Kalpana Vasan. How are you friends? I hope you all doing good. In this video, I am going to prepare for you village style chicken tandoori recipe. This easy recipe help you make incredibly tender, juicy, moist and more delicious. This recipe you can prepare by using oven, air fryer or on direct fire. If you cook on direct fire, it will be more delicious and different in taste. Come friends, let us go through the video and see how to prepare. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt and chili powder and half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder and 2 tablespoon of garam masala and corn flour 2 tablespoon and 2 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 2 tablespoon of fresh ginger and garlic paste and 4 to 5 tablespoon of thick curd. After adding curd, add some lemon juice. Curd and lemon juice make chicken juicy and tasting different. After adding of all this, mix well. After mixing of masala, taste it once because you can balance your spices. Take 1 pieces of chicken legs and apply neatly. In this paste, we used all natural ingredients what available at home. It is very healthy. After applying of all chicken pieces, take a bowl and keep all pieces in that bowl. After keeping all legs in that bowl, close and soak it for 1 hour or half day. Because of soaking like this, tandoori will be very juicy. I am going to prepare tandoori directly on fire. I like to cook and eat in this way friends, so that I am following this method. If you cannot able to cook like this on directly fire, you can use oven or air fryer. If you use directly on fire, it will take 1 hour or 1.5 hours. When we cook directly on fire, after cooking, the chicken color will be different from another methods. I started to cook evening near 5:30 so that video become little dark. That's it friends. Delicious village style tandoori chicken is ready to eat. If possible, you also try once in this way. It will be very tasty and delicious. I hope you like the video friends. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also hit on the bell icon. As soon as we upload the video, you will receive notification. Thank you for watching.